guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Asia and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this long sleeve. So my phone actually ended up dying in the middle of me making my intro, but yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing y'all how I got that long sleek 30-inch ponytail. So I'm going to be starting off by brushing out my frontal wig. It is 16 inches, so which is short for me because I'm used to 20 inches, which I'm kind of small, so 20 inches on me goes down to my butt. So I was so over wearing the short hair, and I was like, let me throw a bundle in here and make a long ponytail. So I'm just starting off by, I already have a side part, so I'm just brushing it down and trying to get it as slick and as smooth as possible. So once you got your hair in a ponytail, I'm just going to take some mousse and apply that to the top of the hair, and that's just going to, you know, smooth it down. You don't want to put no edge control or nothing like that on your wig or on your extensions. So yeah, that's why I'm just going to take some mousse, and that's going to make it real sleek looking and get it real slick how we want it. So I'm just going to keep taking the mousse and the brush and just brushing the mousse into the hair, slicking it down. Like I keep saying, slick and sleek. That's the words I always use when it comes to sleek ponytails. And then I'm going to take the blow dryer and just blow dry it in place and blow dry all of the mousse into the hair until I get the desired ponytail look that I want. Now I'm just going to take my edge brush and brush down my edges and form some baby hairs on the wig. That's honestly not even baby hairs. Those are full pieces of hair, just, I don't know, smoothed down. I'm not even about to sit here and act like that's baby hair. There is no baby hair, period. So now I'm just taking my ponytail and I'm gonna braid that so that when I do wrap the bundle around the ponytail, my hair is not in the way, and y'all are gonna see what I mean in just a second. So just, yeah, braid your ponytail down and tie it off with another ponytail. And yeah, I'm now gonna take my razor and just, you know, cut that down a little bit. Take my spritz, and y'all know how spritz works. Spritz makes it hold for like 3 weeks. Like, no, I'm exaggerating, but the spritz definitely made it stay in place, and it also makes it shiny and sleek how I want it. So literally in every single video I burn myself. It never fails. So now I'm just taking my wand and, you know, I'm just wanding it. I don't know. Y'all see what I'm doing. I can never explain what I'm doing. I'm a visual learner. That's why I make these videos, because, and I never talk in my videos. I just do voiceovers because when I'm doing them, for one, I'm bumping and listening to music, and for two, I cannot explain to y'all what I'm doing. I cannot put it in words. Y'all literally have to watch. So my channel is for visual learners. If you need someone to explain word for word, I am not for you. Anyway, so I'm just going to be taking one bundle of my 36-inch human blend hair that I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm cutting that in half. Then I'm going to place a bobby pin on the end of it, and I'm just going to stick it through the ponytail. And as y'all see, I placed another hair tie around the base of the ponytail, which is important for extra security so that one of them doesn't slide off since you're going to be sticking bobby pins in it. So I'm just gonna take my bobby pin, wrap it around. Y'all already know how to wrap how to wrap the wefts around your ponytail. You know, overlap it over the other so that it is not sliding, and you know what I'm saying, you can't see wefts and stuff sliding through your ponytail. So just wrap it around, and yeah. So like I said, this is 36 inches for the low, okay? So clearly it's going to keep getting tangled, and I'm going to keep brushing it out. But the best part about it is that it does go right back to being silky and smooth looking. To secure this bundle, well, this half bundle that I just wrapped around, I'm going to take a piece of hair and I'm going to now wrap that around the base of the ponytail to also cover the wefts. So at this point, I was like, okay, this ponytail's too thin. I wanted a little bit fuller and thicker looking. So I ended up making another braid, right? So y'all see me making another braid because I'm going to take the other half of the bundle and I'm going to wrap it around. And the reason why I put it in a braid before I wrap it around is because this hair just, it's long and it's a lot of hair. And yeah, you're not going to want that in your way and get entangled when you're trying to wrap it around. So just to keep it out your way, you just put it in a braid. So I'm repeating the steps. I'm taking a bobby pin and putting that on the end of the weft, and once again sticking that through the top of the ponytail. And y'all already know I'm about to wrap it around, so I'm not explaining nothing else, just watch. So once I was done, I ended up securing a ponytail with a cute little scrunchie, and then I'm just gonna straighten it and, you know, get it all smooth and silky. I did end up cutting it a little bit because it was 36 inches and I cut it to be 30 inches because 36 inches was so long on me, y'all. I'm only 5'4". I'm like 5'4", 5'5". I'm 5'5". Fuck that, I'm 5'5". Period. So I'm only 5'5" and I'm all legs. I have a really short torso, so like I said, 20 inches on me is down on my butt, so 36 inches, girl, it was so long. So I did cut it to be 30 inches. To get the best results out of your synthetic and human hair blend, you should definitely always blow dry it and then flat iron it on like a not too high heat setting. So what I did end up doing was flat ironing the synthetic hair first on a lower heat setting, and then y'all already know the 16-inch hair, which is human hair, I put that on a higher heat setting because it was not trying to straighten with the synthetic hair. Like that heat setting was way too low for that. So that's all I'm going to be doing for the rest of the video, is just straightening the hair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media, and be sure to turn on my post notifications because I do upload every Thursday. Sometimes it's late, sometimes it's early, so that's why you need to turn my post notifications on so that you know when I upload a new video. And yes, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys that do support my channel, and enjoy the rest of this video. Bye. Okay, so my phone had died, but I just wanted to say thank y'all for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos if you enjoyed this tutorial, and give me some more suggestions because I would really like some more. I'm open to trying new things, and whatever you guys want to see, I'll be sure to do it. So thank you. Bye.